So this afternoon I'm getting ready to go to a party and the theme is Ibiza dance party. So that's why I'm wearing something a little bit summery, very tropical, and I've started to go in with some new products that I've received. This is the Dr. Jart. So this is the Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. So I use that first and then I'm going in with the BB Premium Beauty Balm. So it's a gorgeous foundation or BB cream and it has an SPF 40. So I'm using my lovely 109 BK Beauty brush to blend this in. And I've placed it on my hand and I'm just sort of going in cautiously because I thought this is a beach party, or should we say dance party, pool party theme. So I didn't really want to wear loads of makeup. I want to keep this really nice and sort of summery looking and effortless. So as you can see, I have not used a lot of what I placed on my hand, so just really dotting it around the face and just keeping it that really nice natural glowing look is what I'm after, and making sure I don't get my hairline. I have such trouble now having a grey hairline. I'll be very careful that I just blend that out and don't get it everywhere. This is the MCO Beauty, the contour wand. I really wanted to sort of tan up my face a little bit, again going for that summer sun-kissed glow and really just injecting a bit of warmth into the face, framing the face as well, and just really looking like I am totally sun-kissed for today's event. So it should be pretty exciting. It is at a really gorgeous location that's right on the point overlooking the Whitsunday Islands. It's very, very pretty. So we are now heading in with, this is one of the Ox. This is the blush stick. It's a peachy color. Not exactly sure what shade it is, but it is a peach shade, and I thought this would be perfect because it really just creates that glow on the cheeks. Now with the eyeshadow, I'm just using the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush bronzer in number 2, and I'm using this as a eyeshadow to contour my eyes. And as you can see, just taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm just blending it over the eye socket, up and out, really going nice and high to sort of create lift in my eyes and just create that warmth. Again, sort of trying to look like I'm not wearing too much makeup, or any makeup really, but I am, and I'm placing it underneath the eye as well, so just giving myself a little bit of definition. And now I'm grooming those brows. So this is the Fix and Set by MCO Beauty, just using the set and then going in, I'll go in with a little spoolie wand at the end as well, just to set them in place. This just keeps them nice and firm. I do like a product that has a spoolie wand or something that has a setting product for my brows. This is the Rumi Cosmetics. This is their brown eyeliner, chocolate eyeliner, and just placing that right onto the tight line there and in the lashes, really, really close. So more in the tight line than actually on top of those lashes, just to create that depth to the eyes without, again, looking like we're wearing too much. And I'm just smudging that out a little bit just to diffuse the areas, just a small amount. Using the Rumi Cosmetics, this is their Volume Lash Mascara, and I'm just doing a coat of my eyes there and just really sort of working it through. I did do another coat off camera. I tend to need to use the mirror just to get it right in there and coat each lash. And I didn't even bother with the bottom lashes today. I just thought top lashes, once again, keeping it sort of nice and clean. This is the primer by Home Beauty, and it's one of their lighter ones. It's kind of got quite a shimmer to it. So I thought instead of using foundation or concealer, I'm placing this up under the eyes just to create a little bit of light reflection there and really bring that forward. And again, looking sun-kissed and natural, like I'm not wearing too much makeup, so keeping it as natural as possible. This is the Pout liner that I'm using on my lips. It's a very nude liner, and I'll just go in with a gloss, I think, today, something a little bit more natural. This is the Kosas. It's the wet lip oil. Loving this. It tastes beautiful too. Going in with the Airbrush bronzer, this is Charlotte Tilbury again, and just really sort of framing the face and finishing that off, trying to make myself look really cohesive, like I've just been out in the sun for the day. I've gone in and done a little bit down my nose as well, so just really working this look so I do look very sun-kissed and fresh. This is the pressed blush in Nectar, one of my absolute faves. I'm placing that high on the cheekbones, and I'm also running it through the eye socket. I love doing that. It creates cohesiveness with the makeup. Setting the makeup ever so slightly using one of my other favorite brushes. This one's like a little soft pour, and I'm actually quite sweaty, so I've just realized I'm dampening this a little bit much. And then I thought I'd have a little bit of a play with the hair. It's not behaving. So this is as good as it gets. I figured, you know, tussled, just come out of the sea maybe. But this is the look I was going for. Let me know what you think.